Hey everyone, welcome back to DIY with Dewey. So today we are dropping off our car at Safelite Autoglass. They're going to go ahead and take care of the windshield replacement. Alright, so I'm excited to get that crack fixed or replaced. So we're going to get a brand new windshield. Alright, well we just got here. We're going to go ahead and drop off our 2014 Acura MDX Safelite Autoglass in Orange Park. They're going to go ahead and do the replacement for us. Alright, well, we're about to turn into Safelite Autoglass, and there's our car. New windshield. And they installed the trim. So we brought our own trim, the left side, driver's side trim. It was missing. I showed you guys in my other video. We were able to get it from Hanania, Acura of Orange Park. They hooked us up. So thank you to all these businesses that are helping our channel out. We really appreciate it. All right, here's our new windshield. Looks good. We're pretty happy with the new windshield.